Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a lower back stretching routine. So if you feel that your lower back is stiff and tight, then stay along and I will show you a couple of exercises to get better. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell. And if you have any suggestions or any questions, don't forget to leave me a comment. We will do a hip flexor stretch. So I'm putting my right leg in front of me, and from here you can put the hand on your waist or you can just keep them on the leg. I lean forward until I feel a pull, a stretch on the left leg. Try to keep the back straight. Again, relax there, breathe in, breathe out, at least 10 seconds, hold it there. And then repeat again, relax a few seconds and you can repeat it again. Move forward, so the whole weight goes on the right leg for me in this position. And I feel a nice pull, a nice stretch on the iliopsoas muscles, so the hip flexors muscles, because the muscles attaches on the back deep inside, and if they are tight on the front, so if the hip flexors are tight, it will cause some pain and discomfort in the lower back. So with this exercise we can stretch properly the hip flexors, and you repeat the same exercise on the other leg. So all the time we need to do both sides. So this time left leg in front of me, and from here put the whole weight to the left side, and I'm feeling the stretch on the other side. Keep the back straight, stay there at least 10 seconds, breathe in, breathe out, and relax and repeat again. So again, weight on my left leg and I'm pulling, I'm stretching the right hip flexors. Back straight, 10 seconds. And then relax. The next exercise is the child pose. So this exercise is stretching the whole back. We go in this position, and from here we go backwards towards the heels, and with the hands we slide slowly forward as far as we can go until you feel a nice stretch on the back. And we stay there 10-15 seconds and relax. Keep breathing. And then slowly we come back. We relax a couple of seconds and we do it again. So heels, going to the heels down. Slide forward as much as you can go until you feel the stretch. And just stay there 10-15 seconds. Relax the whole body. And then relax. If you feel that the pain is more on one side, so let's say we feel a bit more pain on the right side, then we can go slowly to the left. So the same exercise. So you go into your heels, you slide, and then you twist slowly to the left until you feel the pull, the stretch on the right side, and you just stay there 10-15 seconds and relax. And then come back. And you repeat a couple of times, and you can do the same thing to the other side. So if you feel the pain or is stiff more on the left side, then you slide slowly towards the right side. The last exercise is going to be a cat-camel exercise. So we mobilize the spine. So from the same position, from here, we arch the back, head down, and then we push it down, and we arch it down. Slowly, don't force the movement, gently. And back. You can even do a bit of breathing together. So you breathe in, you arch, and as you breathe out, you push the back down, and then you move it a couple of times. Again, don't force the movement when you go down. Go as much as you feel comfortable. So if you feel this a bit too painful here, then you stop in the middle. So you will go like this, and then when you go down, you can stop there. You don't have to do it too much down. If it feels fine, then you can push it. But if it's painful, just do it gently, be a bit careful. Have a try with these exercises, see how it goes for you. If you have any questions or any suggestions, don't forget to leave me a comment. Please subscribe to my channel press the notification bell as well, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.